Your next car could be the 2018 Volkswagen Passat. This vehicle is an outstanding buy with fewer than 20,000 miles on the odometer. Here's a well-designed Passat, the midsize sedan that delivers everything your family needs, plus a large dollop of driving pleasure for you. Feel secure and confident and enjoy the ride. These are just some of the great options this vehicle comes with: electronic stability control, trip computer, power windows, bucket seats, four-wheel disc brakes, power steering. Get the family car you need without sacrificing the fun you want. Have it all in this Passat. Our team will give you an outstanding test drive experience. Stop in today.